Hey, what's going on guys? It's the X-Man PD and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, we're going to be starting our brand new series called MineColonies Restoration. In this series, we're going to be finding our MineColonies abandoned place and restoring it. So, let's just get right into it. Okay, run. Oh, ow. Throw that doo-doo away. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's make some wooden tools real quick. So, boom, 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 boom. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Put that there. Put that there. 3. Boom. What mod is this from? Let's do Vinery. Okay, there's a village here, so let's go rob them. Shung. Anyway. Because we should be able to rob them for some food. What's this? Corn. Can I eat this? Oh! Oh, what the heck? Now go away. Ouchie. Oh, he hits hard. Holy crap. What are you? You're a hedgehog? Oh, yo! You wanna be my friend? Damn. Let me grab this corn. Can I turn this into seeds or something? Oh, I can. Okay. Let me turn one of these into seeds. When is summer? Oof. Calendar. So if I want to check the season, I can always look here. What's this? Oh, carrots. Yeah. Let's just rub them. Where? Oh, that's in villages, just normal villages as well. Interesting. Interesting. Let me just turn this into wheat. Make some bread. Somewhat acceptable for my citizens. I don't even have a village. Let's eat this bread. Let's mark this village real quick. Wait, I have a death grade? Oh no. This is so weird. What? How do I... Oh. Village 1. Oh, what the heck is this? What? What is it? A mole? What? Oh my glob. Oh, that's sick as. But let's home. Oh, another snake. I'm gonna run away from that guy. What is this? Ember. Oh, that gives wheat. Interesting. Wait, can I just make bread like that? No. What's this? Ah, that's a rose. Sick. Well, in this episode, we're just gonna be looking for a village, and yeah, just get up to some shenanigans. What is this? I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna put it back. Oh, what is that? Okay, no, you don't look friendly. I'm running. Run. What is that? Wait, what is this? Oh, that's a bear. Oh, nah, I'll pass, buddy. Oh dear. Oh, what's this? Grapes. Wild grapes. Wait. Oh. Oops. When did summer and autumn? Let me put the seeds there. I didn't add a backpack mod. I might add that for episode 2. There's some cow. There should be cows right here. Boom, boom. Come back. Yeah, meat. Yeah, cooked him. Meat there. I'll put that there. Yeah, put that there. What is this? Wild potatoes. Oh, potatoes. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. Put my plantables there because I got carrot and bread. Is that something over there? Can't tell. There's something red over here, actually. Something big and red. Wonder what it is. Oh, there's some sheep, actually. Yeah, I'm going. Wait. Bed. Let me look at the beds. How do I make oak fancy bed? Let me make this real quick. Not right now. Well, I won't be able to now, but come here, sheep. Yeah. Put that there. Oh no, that there and there. Wait, how do I make that? So I need wool, cushions. Yeah, I'm gonna need a lot of wool. Another white sheep. There's something over here. Something like it's evil, I think. Ah, it's just a red mushroom. What is this? Oh, yeah, nah. Run time. Oh, what's this? Something's this way. Whee! Oh, yeah. Watch me swim. Yeah, yeah. Watch me swim. Yeah, yeah. Must be a sign. 1400 blocks? Yeah, no, I'll pass on that. There's gonna be something through here, I bet. Throw that bread away. Whew. Oh, what the heck just happened? I just like spun. How's it turning nighttime already? Oh, because I was making the thumbnail in here. Damn. Oh, hello. Holy sheep. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm getting shot at by skeletons. They're aimbot. They're aimbot. Run, run, run. Ouchie. No, not this, not this. That's feathers. Okay, I'm gonna need to kill some chickens. Not right now, because I'm currently running for my life. But when it comes daytime, I'm gonna do that. What is this? Oh no, there's a barbarian camp. Oh no, oh no. Run, run, run. Run up this hill. Jump, jump. 1, 2. 1, jump. Okay, bet. Oh, lava. What was that over there? I can't tell what that is. But we're gonna go down. Down, down, down. Run. Oh, hello, snail. Jump in the water. Swim, swim, swim. Jump, jump, run. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, hello spiders and aimbotting skeletons. Run, run, run. Ow! Bugger somehow what's down there. No, not checking. It's nighttime. Oh, can I craft chainmail in this pack? Yep. How do I get out of here? Oh, I can just go here this way. Stone, yep, cool. Boom, bop, bing, bing, bam. Oh, whoa. Oh, time to fall down a mountain without dying. Oops, something's chasing me. Time to run for my life from it. Ow. I thought there was going to be a diving animation. I guess not. My head wasn't even underwater anymore and I was still about to drown. This game. Oh, onion. Wait, whoa. Whoa. Is this Farmer's Delight onion? Loki can't tell. Is this Farmer's Delight? No, that's Let's Do Farm and Charm. Interesting. Let me put that there. Run, run, run. No thanks. Oh my, I just jumped over his face. Do you have the wood? No, I don't have any wood. I'm just gonna be swimming for a little bit. Holy, this is a friggin' ocean. Da 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 da. Oh, hello, child. I'm gonna kill a child. A baby zombie. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, there's two children chasing me. I'm cooked. Run, run, run. Yo! Oh. I'm gonna chop down this tree and then boat over to there. What? How is one of them still alive? What's walking up to me? Nothing, okay. Come on. Let's go. Give me this, give me this, give me this, that. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so we're gonna turn all this into wood. Turn this into a boat. Turn this into another sword. Turn this into another sword. Put the second sword there. Put this sword there. Put that there, that there. Oh wait, I have to do that or I can't. Okay, that's fine. Let me do this. And oh, is this a village over here? No, I thought it was a village. I wonder if there can be a village spawning in this area. Dun 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 dun. Oh, there's something this way. There's a light. Do I bite the bullet and sleep? Nah. Sleeping's for the weak. But I'm not weak. I'm the X-Man PD. And I don't run from the fade. I'm running from the fade. Yo, what? That guy was just there. He's missing all of his shots. Okay, he's not aimbotting. Okay, I'm running. Yep, leave me alone. Okay, those guys are fighting. Oh, sunrise. Oh, pig. Oh, hello. What's this? Flaxen fern. I have no clue what a flaxen is. Sounds like a slur. Whoa, yep. Oh, duck that fade. Oh, yeah. Oh, ow. About to open the boat again. Oh, wait, that could be a village this way. Wait, is that a village? What is that? It's a random light in the middle of the road. What is this? Let me see if I can boat around to it. Oh, it's okay. Oh, no. Turn around, please. That's a campsite. I don't want to be going up against those guys right now. What's that? What's that thing? What is this guy? Is he dead? Oh, that's a snake. Oh, what a cutie. He's sleeping. This music is peaceful, Loki. Give me this. Oh, of course it has to start raining. That's right, let's go across the water here. Is that a village? No. Oh. Some's here, I think. Whoa. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh yeah. Oh, I can't because I haven't killed enough stuff, I don't think. This is oh, this is tropical shores. Interesting. Oh, wooded drylands. Okay, now it's not raining. Oh, never mind. never mind. Okay, this game's a little weird. Oh, okay, we're gonna go around. Oh, I didn't add parkour to this. I'll do that next episode. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Okay, there we go. Okay, that doesn't do anything. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, there's more this way. Oh, a shipwreck. Delicious. But, need a village. This video doesn't end until we find a village. Okay. We're gonna cut until we find some land real quick. And we are back. We found some land. Alright, driving over to it now. Oh gosh. Jungle. So I might actually have to mark this down. Let me mark this jungle down real quick. Where am I? I'm gonna cry if like there was a village behind me somewhere. Let me look real quick. There was a camp. Another camp. There was that thing which was not a village. But where I am, here. Let me make a waypoint. Jungle biome. Let's pause now. Okay, so there's a jungle biome to my everywhere. And hopefully we find a village soon. But if not, that's alright. What is that near me? I feel like there's a village in this direction, so let's head this direction, chat. Well, I just got auto OBS warning, I think. I don't know what that was. Well, what is that? What is that thing? Oh, it's an anglerfish. Oh, that's freaky ass. Oh yeah, I said it was probably this way. I feel like it's this way anyway. Lukewarm ocean. I'm kind of hoping we don't get a desert village because the desert is kind of ugh. Like the village is. Don't get me wrong, the village looks cool. It just takes so dang long to make. Don't know. Wait, is there anything near me? Not that I can see. Oop. Alrighty, time to. Oh, there's a ruined portal in front ahead of me. Let's get out. Let's put this there, crafting table there, boat there, sapling there. Boom, boom. Let's do that. Okay. What is this? Is it another bear? Oh, you mama bear with baby bear? Oh, you're mama bear. Wait, you mama bear with baby bear? You're a capybara. Oh, you're a capybara with a baby capybara. Sorry, mate. Oh, wait. I thought that was a village. Darn. I'm gonna make a bet. Wait, what? Oh, that's how I make the sheets. Oh, I need to do that, actually. Not right now, but soon-ish. This will be a stable food source for a little bit. Let me nab this up. Let me put this here, this there, and sleep. Tempest forget. And keep running. This area could have it. Let me do this. And we're gonna need to go on the boat again. More than likely. Jump! Ooh! Yeah, I think we need to add parkour for the next episode. No, hello, snake. Snakes. Leather and snake. Oh, there's something 400 blocks this way. Let's run 400 blocks. Oh, yeah, no, you aggravated me with that sound. You're dying, buddy. Yep. And you aggravated me for just existing. Holy guacamole, almost did big damage. Got bones? No. What's 400 blocks this way? What's supposed to be this way? Anything? Oh, what's that? Oh, it's just a tree. Onion, let me do this. Let me nab this onion real quick. What's supposed to be this way? What was the sign? Have we not gone 400 blocks? I have no clue how far 400 blocks is, low-key, chat. Whoa, wait, why is that bugging? Huh. I'm bugging. Oh, hello. Because that means a structure is in this direction somewhere. I'm just gonna keep running this way. What are you? Are you a rat? Do you drop anything? Ugh, I don't know what a morsel is, bro. Ew. Yep, something over that way. Jump in the water, jump in the water, jump in the water, yeah. Hello, boy. Oh. Okay, this way? Oh, there's something. And it's another camp. And a ruined portal there. That sign thing I think just lied. Oh, is more corn? Oh wait, that is more corn. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Gimme, gimme. I don't care about Piggy. Apologies if I'm not talking much. I'm just like... Oh, oh my, oh my, oh my... Okay, that just happened. Let's continue that conversation momentarily. Yeah, my bad if I'm not talking much. Just trying to look around and explore. Wait, what? Yep. Bro, am I lagging? There we go. I have no clue what the heck was happening there. I don't know if it was lag or not. That was really weird. So let's just keep going. Oh my gosh. Anyway, apologies for the background sound. My dad is just laughing like crazy. I don't know why. I could not even guess. Probably watching something. Big Brother or something. Oh my, yep. No, 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 no. Run for my life. What is that? Oh, it's another own portal, yay. Go, oh, and to run through the dark oak forest, yeah. Let me make a waypoint here. Dark oak forest. Oh, hello, zombie. No thanks. I, do not consent. Ouch. I do not, no. Dun, 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 dun. The swim. Oh, is there something this way? Is there something down here? Oh, this brown mushroom. Oh. Jump. Where's my boat? Oh, here it is. Let me put this in momentarily. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Go, go, go. Oh, there's another ruined pool. That's like the 4th ruined pool I've seen. Oh. Yawn fest. Oh, hello, creeper. Bye-bye, creeper. Creeper. Oh, man. Ow. Oh, whoa. Alligator bellows? Oh, no. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Go, go, go. Oh, the maneuveration. Let me just sleep real quick. Let me... Okay, let me put my bed here. Would there... Oh, more sheep. Yes. Perfect. Oh, they broke. Lovely. Come here. Just stop running. You're my prey. Whoa. Oh, my bad. My bad, chat. What? Oh, what? Hold on. What just happened? Did something happen? No. I actually tabbed out. Oh, my legs. I'm chilling now. Whew. Okay, the game sound's being picked up. Thought it wasn't for a minute. Where was it? The white sheep? Yeah, sheepy, sheepy, sheepy. Oh my, even more. Oh, is that home? Oh, that's just a random house? Excuse me? No, you're not running. Boy. Boy, oh boy, you can't run from me. You can't run from me, boy. Isn't there another sheep? I swear there was another sheep. I'm gonna go check out this house. I have no clue what could possibly be in it. Holy. Okay. I'm robbing the house, like, no brainer. But what's in it? Is there someone in it? Wait, what's this? Let's do bakery. Oh, give me some cake. Let me eat grandma's strawberry cake. What basket of bread? What's happening? Cake stand, cake. What? Huh? Pitchfork. What is this? My grandma's house. Oh, yo. Oh, I feel bad for robbing it now. What is this? Oh, toast. Give me this. Let me run because my inventory is about to be overflowing. I'll mark grandma's house because why not? Is there anything else nearby worthwhile? Let's just continue. I found grandma's house, chat. Yo. Of Linzer tart. What the heck is a Linzer tart? Let's have a look. Let's have a look at what a Linzer tart is. Linzer tart. Oh, this food looks good as. Anyway, let's get back to the game. Oh, 751, nice. Oh, more sheepies to slaughter. There we go, run, run, run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Oh, what is this? Oh, well, nah, I don't want to play whack-a-mole. Sugarcane. See, I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna need it later. Guaranteed. Oh, I thought it was like mega close to. Oh, there's some on this side and across the water. I'll grab this and that one. I'm not gonna bother going for that one. Imagine I end up just being that much short for something. 4 short. I don't think I'm gonna be 4 short sugarcane. I've got 16. There's more up ahead. Oh? Oh, that's just a... got baited. You are not strong enough. Boom. Boom. Oh, yeah, he just went sent flying. Oh, my... that was just a normal hit, was it not? I have 21. Let me get some more. Actually, I don't think I need more. I don't want to kill the entire sheep population. Now, do I? Oh my gosh, they're just coming into my area. Come here. Oh, there's another sign. I wonder if it'll actually take me somewhere this time. Okay. How far? 1200. Let's run. This forest looks kind of magical. Like, holy. Like, holy guacamole. No, not that. Wait, when did I get another sword? Oh, there's gonna be a broken snow village? Sunset is about to happen. Yep, sunset is happening. Oh, let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. What is this? Red moss. Whoa. 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 This beats. Yep. Boom, 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 boom. Beats. Boom, boom, boom. But that's B-E-A-T-S. Oh my globby dobby. Oh my gobber. Oh my gobber. You have a sword. Time around from life. Oh, I see something. Is that a mammoth? Oh wait, there is mammoth meat. I forgot about that. I have come across a mammoth. Well, the location where mammoths spawn. Oh, there's another sign. Seven and 9, okay. Let's go, polar bear. Bye-bye. This is Zoe. Oh, there's something there, I think. Oh no, that's just a big tree. I think I found home. Nope. Wait, did I? Oh my gosh, he hit me hard. Wait, is that a MineColonies village? No. It's a Minecraft village. Mammoths look cool as. This is the second village I found in this world. I'm gonna crash in this guy's house. The guy that doesn't even have a bed. Okay. Yeah, I'll crash in this guy's house. Tempest Fugit. Oh wait. Is that a second village? Oh my gosh, that's a second village. Brother. I'm just looking for a village I can make my own. Literally make my own. 2 snow villages. And like 100 blocks of each other. Friggin' beautiful. Oh, another sign. Pointing back towards the village. Oh wait, I do need to... I am going to need to do capitalism later. I think it's capitalism or kidnapism. That's what I'm going to call it, kidnapism. Gonna capitalize the villagers by kidnapping them. I don't know if that even makes sense, but yeah. We're not brave enough. Wait, what mod is this? Nature's Spirit. Maybe Nature's Spirit might not have been the best mod to add. Because maybe it's stopping them from spawning. I'm gonna do this just to check. Slash locate structure mine colony. Nope, they exist. Now just forget I did that. What is that? Pumpkins. Oh, hello. Oh my. Hey, something I noticed. There's no birch villages, are there? Is there no birch villages? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna cut until I get my stuff back. Alright guys, I'm back and we have found a village. I ended up just looking for one and coming back when I found it. So I found it and we're just gonna reinstate settlement. We'll call it Willowbrook still. And with that, we're gonna end the video off here, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll be back next time for episode 2 where we actually begin building the area. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.